Report a user on Bigo Live. Spot someone acting badly on Bigo Live. Let's report them. Here's how to do it quickly and keep the community safe. In the live stream, tap the three line icon, usually at the bottom of the stream window. In the menu that pops up, choose Report. You will see a list of categories: harassment, inappropriate content, spam, self harm, underage, etc. Tap the reason that best fits, and if possible, add a quick description or timestamp to help the moderator. Finally, tap Send. Again, choose the categories and submit. Bigo takes it from here. We have another ways too. Tap on the user's icon to open their profile. Look for the three-dot menu, usually at the top of the profile. Select Report from the options. Again, choose the appropriate report reason. Optionally add details. Then tap Send. Again, choose appropriate reason and tap Submit. Your report goes to Bigo's moderated team. They will review the behavior and take actions like warning the user, suspending, or banning if needed. Your report is confidential and anonymous, and that's it. Easy, safe, responsible. If this helped, tap like and subscribe for more Bigo tips and community guidelines. Stay safe out there.